Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see some of the basic and advanced sentences for those basic sentences. Okay, so you can replace those basic sentences and use the advanced sentences which are a little bit fancy. And not only that, it sounds good when you speak advanced English, right? Have you ever tried it? It is not a big deal if you use basic English, but when you reach the level of intermediate, then it is quite obvious that you want to move forward in order to speak spoken English. So, in this video, we are going to see some of the advanced sentences for some of the basic sentences that you use regularly on a daily basis. So, without any delay, let's get started.
The book is interesting. The tome is captivating. The tome is captivating. I am happy. I am elated. I am elated. She is smart. She is astute. She is astute. The teacher is nice. The instructor is benevolent. The instructor is benevolent. This is a big house. This is a palatial residence. This is a palatial residence. He runs fast. He sprints swiftly. He sprints swiftly. He is very tired. He is utterly exhausted. He is utterly exhausted. She is good at math. She is proficient in mathematics. She is proficient in mathematics. The movie was good. The film was exceptional. The film was exceptional. The weather is hot. The climate is sweltering. The climate is sweltering. She cried loudly. She wept profusely. She wept profusely. He walked slowly. He ambled leisurely. He ambled leisurely. I don't like this food. I find this cuisine unpalatable. I find this cuisine unpalatable. I want to leave right now. I desire to depart immediately. I desire to depart immediately. The dog is friendly. The canine is affable. The canine is affable. It's a nice day. It's a splendid day. It's a splendid day. The room is clean. The room is immaculate. The room is immaculate. It's a pretty dress. It's an exquisite gown. It's an exquisite gown. She looked surprised. She appeared astonished. She appeared astonished. He is very rich. He is exceedingly wealthy. He is exceedingly wealthy. The food tastes good. The fare is delectable. The fare is delectable. The car is fast. The vehicle is swift. The vehicle is swift. The baby is cute. The infant is adorable. The infant is adorable. She is very thin. She is extremely slender. She is extremely slender. He gave a lot of money. He donated a substantial sum. He donated a substantial sum. I had a very good sleep last night. I had a sound sleep last night. I had a sound sleep last night. He is a good person. He is a virtuous person. He is a virtuous person. They sang beautifully. They sang melodiously. They sang melodiously. I am tired of her. I am weary of her. I am wary of her. The problem is big. The issue is substantial. The issue is substantial. The house is old. The domicile is antiquated. The domicile is antiquated. The noise is loud. The clamor is deafening. The clamor is deafening. The story is boring. The narrative is tedious. The narrative is tedious. Please try to repeat after me. Repetition is very much needed. The cat is cute. The feline is charming. The feline is charming. He is very strong. He is exceedingly robust. He is exceedingly robust. She speaks clearly. She enunciates distinctly. She enunciates distinctly. I am afraid. I am apprehensive. I am apprehensive. The movie was funny. The movie was humorous. The movie was humorous. He is a good dancer. He is an adept dancer. He is an adept dancer. The lake is deep. The lake is profound. The lake is profound. She is very kind. She is exceedingly compassionate. She is exceedingly compassionate. The plan is bad. The strategy is flawed. The strategy is flawed. It means it did not work out. He was very happy. He was jubilant. He was jubilant. The ice is cold. The ice is frigid. The ice is frigid. The city is large. The metropolis is vast. The metropolis is vast. The flower is pretty. The blossom is beautiful. The blossom is beautiful. The sky is blue. The firmament is azure. The firmament is azure. The bed is comfortable. The bed is luxurious. The bed is luxurious. She talks a lot. She converses incessantly. She converses incessantly. He laughed loudly. He guffawed heartily. He guffawed heartily. She is always late. She is perpetually tardy. She is perpetually tardy.
These are some of the sentences that you can replace in your daily life. And thank you so much for watching till the end. In the end screen, I am going to give the link of the video in which there are some more advanced sentences of the basic sentences. If you are interested, please go and check it out.